I am so excited today to be sharing this new jewelry with you from Read Your Heart. It is some really beautiful pieces that I cannot wait to unbox with you guys. But first, I do want to thank Read Your Heart for sending me these jewelry pieces to review for you guys. I've worked with them before and they have some of the most stunning, beautiful pieces of jewelry there are. The quality is so good and it's just really beautiful. Their Moissanite is some of the best Moissanite out there. I get so excited when this package comes because their items are so incredibly beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started with unboxing, opening, and trying on this beautiful jewelry from Read Your Heart. Before I unbox it, I do want to tell you a little bit of information. They do have free shipping over $89 and they do offer 30-day return. This company is eco-friendly and sustainable, and they have given me a coupon code to share with you guys to get 15% off site-wide. I'm going to put it on the screen and it will also be in the description box along with the links for all of the items that I'm sharing with you today. So let's talk about the packaging of this first of all. So you do get this beautiful gift bag that if you're giving this for gift, because it is holiday season, I know if you are thinking about last minute gifts, then maybe this might be an option. If you're wanting something very beautiful to give to that special person for the holiday season, this might be a great last minute gift, or for any other occasions, for somebody's birthday or anything like that, or if you want to just give something to yourself. This is really beautiful jewelry. And just wait until you see the boxes that these come in. They are in that Tiffany blue color, and they have this cushion on the top, and then it says Read Your Heart in silver. And I mean, just the presentation is absolutely beautiful. You'll also get a little pamphlet that tells you a little bit of information about the company and how it began in their story. And it's a really interesting story about how the company began, about the owner losing her engagement ring. I've mentioned the story before in one of my previous Read Your Heart jewelry reviews, but it's very interesting. It's also on their website as well. You will get this that kind of gives you a warranty and gives you the information about the Moissanite report on it. And then you get a little card that has your warranty ID with it as well. So I have 4 pieces to share with you guys. And I know this one's the bracelets because it's in the long box, but the other 3 items, I'm just not going to know which order they're going to be in. I'm just going to pick them up at random. But this is a beautiful, gorgeous bracelet. Just look at this. It's a 925 sterling silver, and then it has some rose gold throughout. I'm going to try to get some close-ups to share with you guys as well, but I'm also going to be trying it on for you. I'm hoping that you're being able to see how brilliant that this is. So the length of this is 18 centimeters, and please excuse the voice. I have been going through some sickness lately, so I'm just starting to get my voice back. So it might sound a little crazy and scratchy, but look how beautiful this cluster bracelet is. It does have that 2-tone. You're going to see the sterling silver, and then you're going to see the rose gold, and all the stones are in a round cut. So let me get this out of the box so you can see it. So let's look at this close up. So beautiful. You can see that it has the little clusters, and that is trimmed in a rose gold, and then all of the other little smaller stones are in the sterling silver. And then you can see what kind of clasp that you have. It's going to be super easy to get on by yourself. So super easy to get on, and you've got that double security clasp, so you're not going to have to worry about it falling off. So look how stunning this bracelet is. This is great for like a special occasion. If you have a really beautiful, elegant dress, this will just take that up a notch. Or, I mean, you could wear this every day if you wanted to. This would be a great daily look, and all of the stones are made with Moissanite. So really brilliant. I mean, it looks just like a diamond, but it is at a fraction of the price. And it does really shine a little bit brighter than a diamond. But look how beautiful this bracelet is. So there's the first piece, and I have 3 more pieces to share with you guys. So I just stacked all 4 pieces in this bag. So I'm just going to pull something out and not know what this is going to be next. So let's see together. Okay, so these are the earrings. These are so beautiful in this sterling silver as well. So these are the Moissanite hoop Pave earring. It has like a twisted look that I'll show you in just a moment. The back of it is a latch back, and it's the 925 sterling silver with the rhodium plating. I really love it when jewelry has rhodium plating because of the fact that it's more tarnish resistant when you have that over top of your sterling silver. So here you can see that you've got all that great Moissanite, and then it has the sterling silver. And I'm going to insert the stock photo for you to see as well. And then the way that you put these on is you just have that lever back, which is really super simple to put these on. So let me go ahead and do that and let you see what they look like on. It's very nice that they have the rhodium plating on this. I love that feature. It just makes it a little bit more quality. So here is the close-up of the hoop earrings. So beautiful. So these are really dainty. So this is something that you could wear daily if you want to do that. Give yourself a little bit of brilliance daily, or this is something that you could also wear for special occasions also. So really beautiful. This jewelry is so pretty. And don't forget that everything I'm sharing with you, I will have linked down below. You can also look at their website. They have so many beautiful pieces. But then also don't forget that I am sharing a coupon code with you guys that's going to give you 15% off site-wide as well. So let's go ahead and see what's next in the bag. I mean, this is so beautiful. The packaging is so pretty. You can see it's got that little puffy top. Okay, so this is a band. So when you're thinking about getting engaged, getting married, and you're thinking about what kind of ring that you're going to be getting, if it's something you're picking out yourself or something that your partner is giving you, then just think about moissanite over diamond. I know everybody says a diamond is a girl's best friend, but when you're thinking about the price of a diamond versus a moissanite and how they look so similar, and if you were to show somebody a moissanite ring, they might not be able to tell the difference between a diamond and a moissanite. But the cost is substantial. So this is really inexpensive when you're thinking about just starting to get married. Do you want to spend a lot of money on the ring, or do you want to spend a lot of money on your honeymoon, a down payment on a house, or anything that you're going to need to get started? So I think that moissanite as an engagement ring and a wedding band is a great option. So this is that wedding band. And then I'm going to show you a ring that goes along with this as well. So this is the triple Pave moissanite half eternity wedding band ring. So as you can see, you've got all the moissanite that goes around. It does not go all the way around. There's just this little part of silver in the back, which I actually like because it makes it a little bit more comfortable when it's on your finger. That way you don't have all of the moissanite that is along the back. So here you can see what it looks like. That is the band. And then the last item I'll show you is the engagement ring part, which is absolutely stunning. And I almost forgot, you also get a cleaning cloth, which is really nice because you can make sure your jewelry stays pristine all the time. So here's the last piece, and it is gorgeous. Look at that ring. And you guys, when you see the price of this, it's going to blow your mind because this is beautiful and it looks like it costs thousands of dollars. And it doesn't, you guys. It is really inexpensive for what you're getting here. So this is the Hidden Halo Radiant Moissanite Triple Row Pave Engagement Ring. So I don't know if you can see this or not. There are 3 rows of moissanite. You have this small band that goes around the bottom. Then you have the bigger stones in the middle. And then you have the smaller stones again on the top. And then when you look at the center of this, look how gorgeous. And then when you look at the side, look at all the detail that goes along the side of that, all of that artwork and that handiwork on the side. It's beautiful from every angle that you look at this. So when you're looking at it from the side, the front, or the top or the bottom, it's absolutely stunning. See how nice this looks with the wedding band as well? So when you're looking at this, this would look like it cost thousands of dollars. And if it was a diamond, it would. But since this is moissanite, lab created moissanite, this is an absolutely affordable price. So if you're thinking about an engagement ring, or if you want to get something that's similar to your diamonds, when you want to wear it and not have to worry about it getting stolen, lost, damaged, anything like that, this is a great alternative to use instead of your diamond engagement ring. But if you are looking for an engagement ring, these are perfect. There are so many different stone sizes and shapes. They are so beautiful. If you just go on their website and look, they're so pretty. So this particular stone, the center stone, is a 1 carat, but you can go all the way up to a 5 carat on that center stone in this particular style. And their sizes are great because they go from a 4.5 all the way up to a 10. And I actually got this in a 9. So this is crazy because my actual engagement ring is a 7 and I can't wear it anymore, but I am wearing this one in a 9. So it's absolutely beautiful, you guys. So pretty. I know the light keeps going in and out on it. So I turned the light down to see if you could see this a little bit better. The just intricate work on this. It's so stunning and beautiful. Really good quality. And if you were thinking about that last minute gift for the holiday season, this might be something that you could pick up. Or if you're watching this after the holiday season, this is a great gift idea for someone or just for yourself. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that like button. And then also let me know down in the comments if you have ever purchased any Read Your Heart jewelry or if you liked anything from today's video. I would also love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.